Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is Fritz, and he's joining us in his little Thanksgiving vest to watch me open a package from Alexandra's Dolly World on YouTube and on Instagram. And she sent this to me from Croatia. Let's see what is in here. Oh, God love her. She's so sweet. She just sent me a Happy Mail, so I was very surprised to get this. Hello, my dear Dolly friends, Darren and Marna from Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm sending you this fabric. We hope that you will like it and that will come in before Christmas. Last time I say send iChips, but it fall down in my car. Now it's in the envelopes. I think it's 12 millimeter and it's big enough for my dolly. Hope you will like them and this Happy Mail. With lots of love, sincerely, yours, Alexandra from Alexandra Dolly World. You'll like her channel. She also makes an outfit a day for her Blythe dolls and has it on Instagram. Big kiss and hug. P.S. If you need anything else, just tell. How sweet is she? Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You know what? Let me double check, because sometimes there are small things. Look at this beautiful caplet. She sent me one of these in a fall print that I used in a collab with Holly from Holly's Dolly Hobby for a Maury girl. Oh, and now I have a Christmas. Oh, it's gorgeous. She makes this by hand. I'm talking about hand stitching. And then she crochets around the edges. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Sure enough, iChips. And look at this beautiful bracelet for me. We call these friendship bracelets. Thank you so much, Alexandra. All right, scoot back, Fritz. We're going to look at the fabrics. Oh, you know I love star print. Love star print, and I also love the metallic gold or whatever, flex or glitter or print. I love it. And then this will be real cute to make a dress to go with that. Oh, I love this fabric. Thank you, Alexandra. Who doesn't love Santa Claus? And my goodness, Santa Claus's day is coming faster and faster and faster. Alexandra actually sent me this fabric before I went to BlytheCon, but with that and all of the timely videos I had to get out, I had to push this back a little bit. More metallic gold. I love that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love it. And more Santa. Oh, how cute would this be? Together, since it's the same print with a different background, on a dress. You know, like do this for the top and this for the skirt. Alexandra, thank you. If you are not subscribed to Alexandra, you will like her channel. She is the sweetest person, and she loves her dollies. She sews, like I said, every day for a Blythe doll. It's incredible. Thank you for watching, but before we go, I want to name a channel that we're all going to send holiday cheer to. Today, it's going to be Nola's Aquatic and Dolls. And if you'll go by Nola's channel as well as Alexandra and leave in her last video, after you watch her video, you like her video, you subscribe to her channel, and you like all of the comments, leave one that includes the words holiday cheer. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel.